Hello, amazing art students. Are you ready? We are going to have some fun today and just let our artistic juices flow. We're going to draw some shapes, and on another day, we're going to color in our amazing one-of-a-kind shape composition. Are you ready? Let's get our supplies. The first thing you're going to need is a Sharpie marker. You were given a Sharpie marker in the art supplies, and you are going to not use a pencil today. You're just going to go for it and be an artist that just takes a risk and does not worry about thinking they're making a mistake. We are not worrying about that at all today. We're just going to have fun. And the other thing that you're going to need is a piece of paper. This is from a pad, and this is 11 inches by 14 inches. It's very thick. That's what we want. So take a sheet of this off of your pad, put your marker in front of you, and let's get started. I'm going to call out a shape, and you are going to draw that shape anywhere on your paper. Any size that you like. And you will have some decisions to make at the end about more shapes in other places when you finish listening to the shapes I call off. I will be saying shapes that you know. Shapes are circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and then we will add some lines and things like that. Are you ready? All right, let's test your knowledge about shapes. Make sure you have a nice space to work in, so if it's a little bit messy with your marker and you go off of your paper, you're not getting it on the table and messing up the table you're working on. Get a messy mat of some kind to put under your workspace. If you need to pause right here to make sure you get a placemat or something that you can get messy, a piece of newspaper, go get that now, and then we can begin. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. The first shape I would love for you to draw is a circle. Anywhere you want, any size you like. I'm gonna make a circle, but you don't have to copy mine. But if you just need a little inspiration and just need some help getting started, you can. It's okay. It's not copying, it's just helping get the project going. If you want to pause after every shape, then go ahead and do that, because I'm going to go on to the next shapes. The next shape is a rectangle. Where are you going to draw a rectangle? And how big, or how wide, or how skinny? Anywhere you want, any size you like. Kind of fun because after you draw something, it might make you think of something, like this makes me think of a city with a moon. The next shape we are going to draw is a triangle. Anywhere you like, any size you want. What just happened? It's crossing over the other shapes. This is what we want. This is okay. We're gonna keep adding more shapes that are gonna cross over each other, and that's gonna make the coloring part of this project really fun. Let's add a square. Squares are different from rectangles because every side is the same length. If you just drew a rectangle, but you meant to draw a square, that's okay. Everyone has done that before. If you'd like to pause here and put a square somewhere else and keep that rectangle, that's 100% okay, because what I'm going to ask you to do now is draw every shape again. Different places, different sizes. Here we go. Another circle. Another rectangle. Another triangle. Another square. Once you have finished drawing 2 of every shape in your picture, if you feel like there's an area you would like to put another shape, a smaller shape, half of a shape, then go ahead and do that. That's okay. I'll show you what I mean by putting some examples on here. Now, a good artist knows when to stop before they add way too much. And since you are going to color in your picture at the end, if you add hundreds and hundreds of shapes, you'll just be adding hundreds and hundreds of places you have to color in. So don't make that difficult on yourself. Just add a couple more here or there and call it a day. Here we go. I'm going to add a smaller circle. I'm going to add, this is going to be kind of funny, watch this, a rectangle coming in from off the page. The rest of it's over here somewhere, off the picture. I'm going to add, what should I add? Maybe one more triangle, just to break up this empty space right here. And maybe one more square. Ready? Why not? Okay, I'm gonna stop. I have balance throughout my whole picture. There are lines everywhere, every quadrant. Top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left has something in it. And there isn't one spot that has much, much, much more than anything else. It's all kind of balanced. All right, finish your picture, drawing it with Sharpie, leaving it black and white, and the next time we get together for a step, you will learn how to color it in. Have fun and good luck.